Here our topic is gravitation. So here before beginning this I would like to ask some questions. Like first question is that when anything falls from a height it drops. Okay, it falls towards the earth's surface, right? And we also know that the earth is moving around the sun. So the question is that why the earth is revolving around the sun. Similarly, another question I have, why the moon is revolving around the planet, around any planet. Okay, so many questions we have. So for finding these questions, for finding these answers, we have to know about what the gravitation is. So the first thing is that what is gravitation. So here it is gravitation, a type of force, a type of force. Gravitation is a type of force, right? A type. Which type of force it is? So it is a type of non-contact force. Non-contact force. It is a type of non-contact. But you will know another thing. Another mystery is that it is a type of non-contact force. But you know very well, force is what? Push or pull. But this type of force is only type of pull force. This type of force is only pull force. So the nature of gravitation is non-contact and it is pull type of force. So it always pulls anything towards itself. So another thing is that who is applying this force? Who is applying the force? Who is applying this force? So according to universal of gravitation, everybody can apply this force. Any object can attract any other object. So I am attracting you and you are attracting me also. Okay, you are attracting me and you are attracting me and I am also being attracted by you. So this is gravitation. So you know very well, as earth can attract every object towards its center, so earth also has gravitational force. Even me also has, I'm also applying gravitational force. So this is all about gravitational. So here I would like to add another thing. You know very well, some objects are revolving around the sun is here, earth is revolving around like this. The direction of the earth is like this and it is attracted by the earth. Okay, this is means earth is attracted by the sun and earth is revolving around. So both are, movement is in this direction, movement is here in this direction and the force is here. Means both are perpendicular to each other. So if a force which acts toward the center and the movement is in the circular, then this type of force is called centripetal force. This type of force is centripetal force. Now I can answer you that the earth is also rotating, moon is also the earth is moving around the sun, revolving, actually it is revolving around the sun in a fixed orbit, and moon is also revolving around the earth or any other planet in a fixed orbit, right? So it is a type of centripetal force. So here this force is acting here, centripetal force, right? Centripetal, and centripetal force is only generated due to gravitational force. Gravitational force is playing the key role in this centripetal force. So everything is being attracted. So many things are happening. Only with the force, this gravitational force is possible. Like we walk on the ground. Tides are there. Tides, high tides, low tides. High tides, low tides are also they are happening because of only the gravitation. All the planets are revolving around the sun only because of the gravitation, right? So many things are happening only because of that gravitation. So gravitation is a very important force. So many answer can be here. So listen, another thing we have to see. It was said by Newton. It was said by Newton actually. So another law I would like to mention here, that universal of gravitation. Universal law of gravitation. Universal of gravitation here. What is universal of gravitation? So listen here. What he told. So every object in the universe, every object in the universe, every object in the universe attract every object in the universe attracts every object with a force which is directly proportional to the product of their masses. Product of their masses and product of their masses. Here another thing means product of their masses and inversely proportional to their square of the distance between them. Square of the distance between them. Square of the distance between them. So here I can say here means suppose two objects are there. Suppose that two objects, so object A and object B. Object A and object B means both are attracting each other. Suppose two objects having the mass capital M, I am writing a small m. So the mass of the first object A is capital M kg, and the mass of the another object, that is the object B, is a small m kg. So here according to the first statement that force is directly, which force? Gravitational force. Okay, gravitational force is directly proportional to the product of their masses. Here product of their masses and inversely proportional to, suppose the distance between them. So here distance must be considered between their centers, not from the surface to surface, center, because gravitational force is the force that attracts the two objects towards its center. Okay, it always attracts the object towards its center. So here take the distance from between their centers be a small d meter. So inversely proportional to this 1 by d square here. So directly proportional to product of their masses and inversely proportional to the square of the distance between them. So here he proposed F is equal to, if we combine the two relations, it becomes what? F is directly proportional to capital M small m by d square. So here we can write F is equal to capital G capital M small m by d square, where G is a constant. Okay, where G is a constant. So here where capital G is a constant, and this constant is called gravitational constant. Okay, gravitational constant. So this is all about universal of gravitation and gravitation.